Hey guys, welcome back to Clubhouse Kids for another Organize with Me video. So today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my kids' bathroom. So if you're interested in that, stick around. Okay, so this bathroom is pretty small and we don't have a lot of stuff in it. So hopefully this bathroom won't take me as long as the bathroom last weekend, which was the master bathroom. So I'm going to do the same thing like I did with the other bathroom. So I'm going to clear everything out of here, go through everything, and then put back everything that we use. I'm done with the kids' bathroom. This one did not take as long. This is a pretty small bathroom, and we are actually going to remodel this bathroom in March. And so I really just wanted to kind of clean it up and throw away the kids' stuff that's not being used. But I didn't want to do a lot in this bathroom, just knowing that we are going to be remodeling in March. So we have a medicine cabinet, and in here I just have just my bath stuff, and that's the only thing in this side. Kids' toothbrushes and toothpaste and mouthwash. And then the third section is just my boys' deodorant. So there's really not much in here. That's one of the reasons that we will just be taking out this medicine cabinet when we remodel this bathroom, and just going to a mirror here, and then we're going to get a new vanity system to put the little bit of stuff that they keep in the medicine cabinet in here. So down here, the drawers are actually just empty. My girls keep all their hair stuff in their bedrooms, and so I really didn't need the space there. And then under the sink, I just have our Clorox wipes, and then I have just our bucket of like curling irons and hair dryers, but I don't use any of this stuff. I have curly hair, so I do not use a hair dryer. So this is really just something that, and I obviously don't use a curling iron, but this is something that I use on my daughter's hair, like if it's Christmas or something like that. But very seldom do we use this stuff, so I just put it in a bucket and put it underneath the sink. And then there's just some of the kids' towels. The rest of the towels I'm washing. And I washed the rugs and the shower curtain, and in the shower, or in the kids' bath, just have our shampoo and conditioner and soap. So that's it for the bathroom. This bathroom really did not take me very long. It was mostly just the deep cleaning, which I didn't take a lot of video of, just, cleaning the doors and the walls, and the toilet, which was probably the grossest because I have 3 little boys, and so if you're a mom of little boys, you know how gross those little boys can be. So I really scrubbed the walls around the toilet area and the floor, and but for the most part, this room wasn't bad. And so next weekend, I will be doing my daycare bathroom. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.